Welcome back, everybody, to
Southside Boy Style.
Here today. I got another easy, do-it-yourself, cheap way to refill your air conditioner in your car. Summer is on us, and that means there's going to be cars with no AC and everybody's too hot and nobody wants to drive, so it's up to me to get AC in these cars. Now, a lot of you guys that work in those big expensive garages and, you know, making $60, $70, charging $60, $70, $80, $90, $100 an hour are going to say, oh, you can't do this, oh, this is not the proper way. You got that big unit up here with 5,500 gauges, and you know you got to extract fucking ozone from the ozone layer and all this crap. Listen, you don't have to do that. Okay, so it's not 100% the most proper way to do it, because it could be leaky seals inside the unit, could be a bad clutch inside the compressor, could be anything like that. There's a number of things. But if you want a cheap and easy way to get AC in your car that probably will last you for the summer season, which is basically all you need it for, you don't need it in the winter time. Yeah, those garages that charges all those money with those big, you know, systems and everything, they don't tell you you don't need your air conditioning in the winter time, because you only need it in the summertime. Okay? I have done this a million times. And even if you got a bad O-ring or a leaky seal or whatever the case may be down in your AC clutch or whatever, basically you still get the season. If you don't, the cans are $24 each. Listen, I got them on demand. Come on now, people. I have them on demand, okay? So $24 a can. So if I'm going to spend $24 for 4 or 5 months of the summer season, or 6 months, no, okay, you guys leave in the comments, summer is 8, 9 months, whatever. So it's an extra $24. Whatever. You're not spending thousands of dollars to fix AC units, because tell me what garage is going to charge you less than $1,000 to fix your AC unit. Okay? Right? So, I'm going to show you. This is just my way. If you do this, do it at your own risk. This is just what I do in my little garage. And it works every time, and I've been doing it for years. You can buy this at Canadian Tire, most any auto store. You can buy this crap, and once you got the hose and the gauge, make sure you get the one with the gauge, because that tells you stuff. It tells you how much Freon's in it. I'm saying Freon, but it's not Freon, okay? And you know, it says automotives, trucks, tractor, whatever. So, you know, whatever. And this always works for me. Sometimes I get a couple months, sometimes I get 3 or 4 months. What do I care? It's $24 a can. If I gotta spend $24 to stay cool in a car, I'm good with that. Run your AC unit in your house is going to cost you hundreds of dollars a month, right? So I don't mind $24 every 2-3 months. That's good for me. That's if there's a leaky ring or O-ring or whatever the case may be, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, okay? Now, first things first. Let me take off my glasses there, guys. You have a high side, right there, see it? High, H. H means high side. And you have L for low side, low side. These two valves are a different size. This coupling only fits on the low side. It will not fit on the high side. So you can't make a mistake. That's how simplified they're doing this for you guys, okay? That's how simplified it is. So what you do is you unscrew the cap. Okay, see the cap's unscrewed. You lay it down like that so you don't lose it. Now you make sure your valve is up all the way. It has a little safety clip. It will not screw down and puncture the seal until you remove this little safety clip, okay? Pick up your bottle. Now, I know all you graduates are saying, oh, you can't do that, you can't do that, you can't do that. Well, I'm doing it. Live with it. So, there you go. Quick decoupling on top. Now, the car is not running right now, okay? The car is not running. So, remove this little safety clip. See, I pulled it out. It's just a little safety clip. Some clips are going to be different. Some systems are going to be different, whatever. Now, screw the unit in. I'm going to try to do this. Give me a second, guys. See if I can't hang my camera somewhere. Let me see if I can't hang this somewhere on this car. Look at that. Works perfect. There we go. So, you screw this one in. When you screw this one in, this punctures. You hear that? It punctures the system, okay? Now, the car right now is not running. So there's pressure in this line, okay? And it's already telling me I'm in the red, which means the AC system is down in the red. It needs to be charged, okay? But I knew that anyway, guys. All right, I knew that anyway. Now that you have this done, this tank is closed off, you depressurize the valve, the system, sorry, start your engine and turn on the AC. So let's go inside. We'll start the engine. Turn it off full. We'll turn max air conditioning. Max air conditioning. Make sure it's on the cold side. Max air conditioning on high. The engine is running. Now we'll go outside. We will turn on the valve. And the engine, the compressor, will suck the Freon inside the car. Don't shake the can. It's going to take a while, guys. Just move the can around. It helps the process. It helps everything go inside. Every now and then, just shake around the can. I'm trying to do it so the can stays up. We'll go inside. I'm just looking at the AC unit. Maximum AC is on. That's all on. I'm going to put it on vent. And we're going to let it do its thing because it's going to suck that thing on right through the system. You see, I'm already moving up, guys. I'm already moving up. Move the can around. Don't shake it. You don't need to shake it. Just move the can around. There's no reason to shake it up. You see, guys, I'm already up in the green. And you don't necessarily have to use the full can. As long as you're in the green, everything is good. So we'll keep letting it do its job. I'm just keep checking in the system. And I can tell you now that I'm already starting to feel the cold air coming from the system because it's putting the Freon inside. My max turned on for some reason. I'm hearing my compressor cut in. We'll go outside and check. They're still going good. Everything is going good. Everything is going good. Keep it going. I'm moving around the can just to keep things flowing good. And it's still going, still doing its thing. And it's getting colder, even though the system is connected, it's getting colder inside the car. Now this takes a while. I'll let you guys know that now, okay? This takes a while to get it out. And it's going in, it's traveling, see? It's traveling in. You don't shake it, you just move it around. Ever so gently move it around. We'll go check the system again and see what it's on here now, right? Our max AC is on. It's turned up. Everything's good. Come outside, check the can. We're still pumping it. It's still pumping it in. Now guys, at this point, I would say this is sufficient. So I'm going to shut the car off. And I'm going to turn off the can. See, you heard that noise. The can is off. Sorry. I had to put the camera away. We'll let go to quick connect. We're going to screw our cap back on. And we're going to start the car back up and check the system. And guys, I have cold AC. Sorry, I wish I had a temperature gauge to show you, but I have nice cold AC. See that? Nice and cold. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay. So guys, there you have it. Cheap, easy fix for your AC unit. It's working fine. Probably work now for the rest of the season. So guys, thanks for watching. Please leave me a like down here. A subscribe over right there. Don't forget to check out my merch down below. See, I saved you a few bucks again, guys. I'm glad of that. Southside Boys Styles out.